before, the one from now. So this is a sponsored product for the channel. This is LED bulbs for the Prelude. So we're going to install them today, and I'm going to show you the before and after. Currently we're in the Prelude. We're going to be installing the new LED bulbs. So I just thought I'll give you guys a before and after. So that's really all I could see. It's not the best, but this is a good example of what I'm dealing with. It's pretty basic. These are the current OEM bulbs, and as you can see, you don't really see much. The output isn't the greatest. So hopefully with these new bulbs, it'll make a big improvement versus what I'm dealing with right now. So right now we're just gonna do the install on LED bulbs. Oh shit. Come with gloves, as these are zip ties to mount these. I'm just surprised it came with gloves. So put these in, come with the instructions. It should be fairly simple. Take the old one out, put a new one in. As I just saw, it was a very quick install. Just basically disconnect the OEM plug, which is the white one, install the new bulbs, the LED bulbs, and plug it in. Righty tighty, lefty loosey for the bracket that holds the light bulb in place. So right now I'm just going to turn it on, test it, and see how it is. So this is after of the LED bulbs installed. As you can see, it's better compared to the other one. I'm gonna try to overlay it to show you the one from before, the one from now, but it is way better. You can actually see, you know, a good distance down the block. Before, you could barely see past that tree right there. But yeah, and it's the 4th of July, so that's why there's fireworks everywhere. This is a little bit of work we did on the Prelude. Yes, the welding perfect. I got a little better. I didn't do any blow through this time, but it's still getting hot in certain areas. But yeah, it's together. But this is a good thing we're doing this on the Prelude. Normally before I wouldn't even be able to do this, so I think I'm getting a little better. I just gotta figure out how to control the heat a little better. But this is just to quiet down the Prelude. Today we do a little side work on the Prelude. Installed a bigger resonator, Magnaflow, to quiet this thing down. So hopefully it sounds good. Oh, got a little leak right here. I need to get a new gasket for that. But not bad. So she's on the road. It is a bit quieter, but it still has a little bit of rasp that I want to get rid of. But for now, it's good. I might just have to get a big exhaust, maybe the World Sport or something like that. So I might just do that next. But overall, sounds decent. Next is the H22. You just heard it had like a little bit of rasp in it, but it's not bad.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's